Hi guys, in this video I'm going to discuss about how to create users and add roles inside MongoDB. So at here first I'm going to use at here so or DBs. So this will display all the database inside MongoDB. So add here Adam and here DBS. So these two are user created or database, and here these three are or system defined database. Now hereafter I'm going to create the users. So at or let's write or db and here db dot and hereafter write create user. Create user hereafter bracket and hereafter the next thing is create user, and here we need to give the curly braces and here give the user, and here in double quote give the user name. So giving at here Adam. So there is already one database with the Adam. So let's give at here a username Sony. Now here after the next thing and comma, and here we need to give next pwd that indicates password, and here inside double quote giving at here Sony. And here after the next things we need to provide the roles. So write at here roles and here colon and bracket curly braces and here role colon, and here inside double quote going to write user admin any database. Now here use double quote and here the next thing here db colon admin. So add here the database that use admin. So add here database admin is there. Now close by single double quote and here the first braces. So add here or this next thing braces, and here this is for that one, and here next this is curly braces and here one. So add here create user. So user creating with the name Sony, password Sony in a small here rows. So that will add here use any user admin any database. So any database that can use and here or using database admin. So if you press enter, so add here successfully added user, and here this is successful, and here name user roles. Here this is the user admin and here database using admin. Sorry, add your database using admin. It's okay. Now here after the next thing I'm going to copy this one and here pasting inside one new or text document. So here we don't need triple dot. So triple dot that's not required. Now here after creating one new user. So add here giving HP is the user, and here giving the password a small letter HP, and here giving roles user admin. So you can give add here user admin only, and here or you should give the add here database. So let's give add here employee database going to give. Now here copy that one and this query just paste it here. So query pasted. Now press enter. So at here or next user created with the name HP, password SP, and here role user admin, and here database using employee. Now hereafter you can create or read a user and user with giving or granting the permission on read and write. So at here for this, let's use or do some modifications. So at here going to use this time or username Dale and your password a small letter Dale. Now here after giving the roles, so roles at here, this will do only read. So it will at here this user, this will do only read permission, and here giving DB that will access at here Adam. So Adam that will access. Now here after next, so this is the first role, and here after the next role at here. So the next role, let's give role and here colon, and here in double quote writing read and write. So read and write has the roles. Now here after let's give the DB. So DB. So here if you don't know the DB names, so at here write also DBs. So at here there is one database item. Next is DBS. So at here let's give dot colon, and here in double quote giving DBS. Now here after the first bracket, here second, here third. Now here after let's copy that one. So for there that will create one new user with the name tail, and here roles. So it will do only read on add-on database and here read write on DBS database. So paste it here. So there is a user successfully user created, and here user tail and here roles and here this all those things. Now here after, so this is the way we can create user and granting different roles here. Now here after you wanna see what user that I created and what all or others user exits. So for this you have to use so users. Now press enter. So here you can find this all user here. So at here, first user at here Dale, and here read write, and here next this all these things. Sorry, this is the user. Now first at here, so user, so Dale, and here this is the thing, and here rows read write, and here after next user, this is displaying HP, and here after Sony. So whatever user that I created, so it's displaying. Now here after you can use, so previously at here I just used so user, or you can use at here, DB dot and here write get users. So get users, so it will this will display the same output at here. So here this is displaying Sony, HP, all the users that I just created. So this is the way we can create the user and granting the roles inside MongoDB. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now in this video it's over. So thanks for watching. See next video. Thank you.